Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. This afternoon we are making frijoles refritos, otherwise known in the United States as refried beans. Now, people think that refried beans are fried, and they're not. Refritos actually means well cooked. It means they've been cooked for a long time. Now, notice these are just regular dried beans, and because of the magic of the Instant Pot, these are going to be ready in under an hour. And I'm not soaking these are just going straight into the pot. So let's do that. This is a pound of beans that I have sorted through to make sure there's no rocks in there. That's a good thing to do. Okay, I'm just going to stick these directly into the pot. Okay, now I have filled that pot with the beans and 3 quarts of water, because beans need a lot of water because they are going to rehydrate, and the Instant Pot is going to help them do that. To give them flavor, I'm going to put some Better Than Bouillon ham base. This is going to give it some of that wonderful pork flavor that makes really good refried beans taste so good, because lard is actually often used. Now this is kind of salty, so I won't have to add salt either. And into that, I'm also going to put some Penzeys epazote. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, let me know in the comments if I'm not. Okay, and we're going to put about a teaspoon of that. If you can't find epazote, you can use oregano. Okay, but epazote is better. Okay, and then we have and then we have a garlic clove that I'm just going to break up. It's just for flavor, and it will be pulled out later. And also I'm adding to that 2 bay leaves, and those will also be pulled out when it's time to actually make the beans, which is going to happen in about an hour. And we're back. The beans are done. Okay, first I'm going to saute off an onion. And I'm going to put a little tiny bit of that ham flavoring in here also. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of that in there too, just for some extra flavor. Let the butter get all melted. This is a Lodge cast iron skillet. I highly recommend them. There will be a link in the description. And here is some chopped onion that I already chopped. We're just going to wait until that gets translucent. Break up those onions. Okay. That's good. We've gotten soft enough. This is a spider. See, it kind of even looks like a spider web. And it's very good at straining things, especially beans. I'm just going to take the spider and the beans. And now I'm going to take some of the pot liquor. That's the liquid that's left in the pot after the beans are made. And I'm going to add that to these beans. That should be good. You can see it's kind of still boiling. All right, now this is the fun part. This is a hand blender. Mine is relatively old. They have newer ones that are better, but this one works just fine. Just now, you can go like that. You can see how creamy it's getting, and you can see as I do this that it's thickening up, and I still have the flame under it, so it's still boiling. And that makes it nice and thick, and that's exactly the way we want it. Okay, now we have some beautiful Mexican cheese that I'm going to sprinkle on. I'm going to turn the heat off and sprinkle this on. And there's the cheese. And that is ready to go. Thanks for watching. We hope you'll try this soon. Detailed instructions and ingredient amounts are on the website. We left a link in the description. See you next time on The Good Plate. Bye-bye for now.